Happy day 3. We are at Hollywood Studios today. I'm the Derek Frank, and we're gonna go on some awesome rides because today, Star Wars Day.
The Force is strong with this one.
We are almost there. This is Austen's first time walking into Batuu, or Galaxy's Edge.
This is gonna be awesome!
So awesome. We're racing to get to Rise the Resistance, so hopefully we can get in line and not have to wait hours and hours now. There's Star Tours.
We're gonna get Star Wars ride.
Very good.
Oh, yeah.
We made it in line, even with early morning access before most people get to the park. It's still gonna be over an hour wait. But it's going to be worth it. Austen has never ridden this. He's never been here. What do you think of Galaxy's Edge so far? You haven't seen it all.
I think it looks cool. This place looks awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, this is my favorite. This is the most immersive land at Disney. And of course, being a massive Star Wars fan, it's like Christmas for me.
If you go to airspeed sensor, nephew. Thank you, 9 Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2.
We are inside a Star Destroyer right now.
Yeah.
The First Order is right there.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side and...
Austen broke the ride.
No, I didn't.
He broke it, so we're waiting to see what happens next. Boy, here we go. Okay, we got evacuated from Rise of the Resistance. Luckily, we got a free lightning lane pass to come back anytime once the ride's back up and going. So that's exciting, especially because it was so early in the day. But now, since we skipped breakfast to do that, it's breakfast time, right, Oz?
Right.
And we are doing the Ronto breakfast roasters. Looks good.
Oh, yeah.
I had a bite already. It's pretty delicious.
I buy as well.
15 for one.
So I'm drinking the fuzzy tauntaun, and this thing actually makes my tongue tingly. It's really cool. Austin got the blue milk. He did not like it, but he likes the cookie.
Oh, yeah.
So that's half the battle. I'm gonna eat and drink his blue milk for him, but I'm done with this though. But right now, he's what are you doing there, Oz? He's doing the stuff on the Play Disney Parks app where he's being a rebel spy, trying to sabotage the First Order. I'm not going to allow that because I'm a Sith and I'm on the First Order. Austen is on the run. We can go straight either way. We are doing Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. Austen's first time riding it. I think he might be a little bit excited. And I just had some Oga's Canteen, had a fuzzy tauntaun, so I'm more than excited.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep?
Now's the good time. The escape pods are full of us. Wait, why are you down? Up is bad.
Oh no!
No! So take 2 of Rise of the Resistance, we made it all the way through. It was incredible.
It was
Austen,
awesome.
you loved it?
Yeah.
How would you rate that on rides at Disney?
I think that would be like a 10 out of 10. Maybe 25 out of 10.
Do you think it's your favorite ride now?
Yes, I think it might be my favorite ride now.
It's pretty darn good. All right. Well, on to the next thing. Don't know what we're doing yet, but we'll report in. Austen's opening his Kyber crystal. Oh, he's got yellow. Oh man, that's cool. Very cool.
To the workshop. I know it seems a little, well, a lot, but to us this is everything. This evil met the gatherers. Very good. You make more than you can make. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it, well, it is new junk. It's now time to select your pattern crystal. It will put your eyes in your mind. Picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? Now open your eyes and take your crystal. Very good. Now, components down, and in the boxes you'll find the chassis, activation plate, scripts, pommel cap, and emitter. Building a lightsaber is a journey. Just as you selected your power crystal, so too you will now select the individual parts that make up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to help you should you require assistance. Well, are we ready? Yeah. Good. Let's build. Are you ready? Yes! Then step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. And activate! Builders! Cool! Raise your lightsabers! Yeah! High! You built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like that, you too could change the galaxy. Yeah! Remember, it only takes a spark. Sorry. Now, builders, raise your sabers and activate! Tell the spire! Tell the spire! Friends, you'll be the first to lead our way. Continue on your path. Right this way, my friend. Excellent work. Well done.
Now it's time for lunch at my favorite restaurant at Hollywood Studios, Sci-Fi Dining. So we've done a lot today.
Oh yeah.
Tons. So, but
Yeah.
we gotta eat. We have to eat,
Oh, we have to eat.
and then Star Tours.
Yeah, then Star Tours.
So we're doing Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It's our first time riding this ride. I did a pretty terrible job of recording the end of our day because we were having so much fun, but what day is complete without going back to your amazing hotel and testing out your brand new custom lightsaber from Savi's workshop? There's still one more day of our trip to cover, so make sure you stay tuned for the next episode at Animal Kingdom. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.